What it is? Watermelon is a fruit rich in water, helping to keep the body and skin hydrated, as well as improving fluid retention and preventing the formation of kidney stones. In addition to being a diuretic, watermelon also has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, digestive, and anti-hypertensive properties, and therefore, its regular consumption can bring several health benefits. The red color of watermelon is due to the presence of lycopene, a compound with antioxidant action. In addition, watermelon is composed of 92% water and only 6% sugar, which is a small amount that does not negatively affect blood sugar levels and therefore is a good option to include in the diet. Health benefits of watermelon. The main health benefits of watermelon are: 1. Improving and preventing fluid retention. Watermelon is a fruit that has a large amount of water, so it has a diuretic effect on the body, helping to reduce swelling and eliminate excess fluids from the body through urine. In addition, watermelon also has potassium, a mineral that promotes the elimination of excess fluid from the body, helping to reduce inflammation. 2. Hydrating the body. Watermelon helps to keep the body hydrated, since about 92% of its composition is water, making it a good option for hotter days. 3. Preventing the formation of kidney stones. Watermelon is a fruit with protective properties against kidney diseases and helps to keep urine clean, since it has diuretic properties. In addition, it also has steroids and alkanes as the main constituents of the pulp, which could help to prevent the formation of kidney stones. In addition, the potassium present in watermelon also helps to balance the acids that can be produced by the body, increasing the pH and reducing excess calcium in the urine, thus preventing the formation of kidney stones. 4. Strengthen the immune system. Watermelon contributes to the proper functioning of the immune system, since it stimulates the body's defense cells, due to the fact that it is a source of vitamin C and A, which act as antioxidants, preventing the onset of diseases such as flu and colds. 5. Protect the skin from the sun. Due to its composition rich in carotenoids, such as lycopene, watermelon is a great option to help protect the skin from damage caused by the sun's rays. In addition, it also has antioxidants that help prevent the damage that free radicals cause to the skin, thus preventing premature aging. 6. Improve intestinal transit. Watermelon has fiber and water in its composition, which increase fecal mass and contribute to better intestinal transit. 7. Promotes weight loss. Watermelon is low in calories and has a small amount of fiber, so when combined with a balanced and healthy diet, it can help with weight loss. 8. Helps control blood pressure. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that could increase nitric oxide levels in the body, helping to dilate blood vessels and thus promote a decrease in blood pressure. In addition, this fruit also contains potassium, a mineral that promotes the elimination of excess sodium from the body through urine, helping to regulate blood pressure. Lycopene, another antioxidant compound found in watermelon, can also help regulate blood pressure, as some studies indicate that this fruit reduces vasoconstriction and promotes a decrease in blood pressure. 9. Improves skin and hair health. Watermelon contributes to healthy skin and hair due to the presence of vitamins A, C, and lycopene. Vitamin C is involved in collagen synthesis. Vitamin A contributes to cell regeneration, and lycopene helps protect the skin from sun damage. The red part of the watermelon is rich in antioxidant carotenoids, beta-carotene, and lycopene, which protect the skin from the harmful effects of the sun, but the light green part, close to the rind, is also rich in nutrients and should therefore be consumed whenever possible. 10. Improves performance during physical activity. Citrulline is an amino acid found in watermelon that can improve performance during exercise. In addition, watermelon also contains potassium and magnesium, minerals that are important for preventing muscle weakness, improving muscle contraction, and cramps during intense physical activity. 11. Protects the heart. The lycopene present in watermelon has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action, so it prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, preventing the formation of atherosclerotic plaques and the development of heart diseases, such as heart attack or stroke, for example. In addition, lycopene is capable of increasing the concentration of HDL cholesterol, promoting heart health. 12. Prevents cancer. Watermelon contains carotenoids, mainly lycopene, a compound with antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, so it can be effective in preventing some types of cancer, such as prostate and colorectal cancer. In addition, this fruit also contains cucurbitacin E, a compound that, according to some scientific studies, could inhibit the growth of tumor cells, promoting the removal of diseased cells from the body. How to consume. Watermelon is a fruit that contains carbohydrates, and therefore, it is recommended that when eating it, it be combined with another food rich in fiber, such as 15 to 30 g of nuts, walnuts, almonds, chestnuts, etc., or 1 tablespoon of rolled oats, or 1 teaspoon of flax or chia seeds. Healthy recipes with watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit that is usually eaten raw, but it can also be prepared with other foods. Some examples of recipes with watermelon are 1. Watermelon and pomegranate salad. Ingredients: 3 medium slices of watermelon, 1 large pomegranate, mint leaves, honey to taste. How to prepare. Cut the watermelon into pieces and peel the pomegranate, using its berries. Place everything in a bowl, garnish with mint, and drizzle with a dash of honey. 2. Watermelon rind stew. Ingredients: rib of 1/2 watermelon, 1/2 tomato, 1/2 chopped onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and chives, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 cup water. For seasoning, salt, black pepper, and 1 bay leaf. Preparation: sauté the garlic clove and onion in olive oil until golden. Then add the watermelon rind, tomato, and bay leaf and cook over medium heat for a few minutes until everything is soft. Add the water, parsley, and chives, and once ready, serve with a meat or fish dish. 3. Green salad. Ingredients: rinse of 1 watermelon, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, chopped parsley, and chives to taste, 1 kilogram of cooked and shredded chicken breast, chopped olives, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, juice of 1/2 lemon. Preparation method: mix all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Pour into small molds or cups and serve cold, accompanied by rice, for example.